Hi guys, welcome to September 2013 CMAT analysis. This analysis will give you the complete overview about what came in CMAT this time and how you can improve yourself in the next few days, or if you're planning for the next CMAT, so you can know what was coming and what is not coming. Alright, so first I'll start with the overview about the exam, what happened in general overview. Fine. I'll start off with the cutoff. So if this paper was a little bit more difficult than what you normally expect, so cutoff for JB will normally fall to 300. But the problem is the FEP-CMAT is still there. Fine, and a lot of people will score more in the FEP-CMAT. So cutoff, let's not predict the cutoff as of now. But according to this paper, a 300 plus is a very good score. Fine. So you never know, but we never know about the overall cutoff. But so we can only predict here. About overview wise, now the no major change. The little bit changes, small changes were there. For example, in quant section, the level of difficulty have gone up as compared to what happened in the FEP-CMAT or MACE-CMAT earlier days. For the LR section, again same thing, lengthy paper with more puzzles. Verbal section easier than last time, and GK almost same as last time. There are a few changes in each and every section. I'll talk about. Was little bit more than normal CMAT what used to be. For quant and LR, these are the two main areas where the level have gone up. Alright, if I talk about quant section, your cutoff should be 90s, your score should be in 90s in this exam. Fine. So overview point of view, the level of difficulty have gone up. There were 7 questions which were tricky. Fine. Lot of questions which were based on books. If I give you the detailed analysis of around 5, 6, 7, 9 questions which were based on books. Based on books mean the question where you have to use the formula. For example, finding the root of the quadratic equation, finding out whether the roots are positive, real, or all those kind of things were there. So 9 questions which were based on books. If you are CET students, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 questions are based on the CET shortcuts which I've taught you. So 10 questions were based on the shortcuts. Around 5 questions, for 3 to 5 questions were little bit difficult. Now 7 questions where I've told you difficult or not tough for you. Fine, if you've not done your basic topics like logs and calendars or coordinate geometry, then you are gonna feel the heat. Yeah. So this is the overall breakup. Again, arithmetic rules the chart. Arithmetic 8 question on arithmetic. Dirty quant 6 question. Numbers 4 question. The valuation of numbers have gone up like anything. Equations have gone up 4 questions. Data interpretation 2 question and geometry 1 question. Fine. So if I combine geometry with dirty quant, so probably 7 questions from dirty quant, 8 questions from arithmetic. By dirty quant I mean your permutation, combination, probability, inequalities, all those topics. Fine. Now here if you can pause the video, and this is a detailed question by question of all the 5 questions. An idea about what came where. Fine. So level of difficulty wise, 10 easy, 12 medium and 3 difficult. Yeah. If I compare this with the last CMAT, there were 12 easy, 10 medium, 3 difficult. So moti not very much change from last time, but yes, few of the questions were fairly new for most of the students. So you have to work on everything. So that's why I'm telling you each and every class that you have to do each and every question from various books, from all the books. Fine. Cutoff wise, if you are targeting JBIMS, you have to attempt around 23 to 25 questions. Fine. Your attempt should be for top 4, 22 to 24, top 10, 18 to 22, 15 to 20. That's going to be the moti cutoff from the quant section. Fine. Again, if you are CET students, so please do these chapters first: coordinate geometry and geometry. 4 questions from these 2 chapters. Set theory, couple of questions you can expect. Permutation, combination, probability, again 2 questions. Ratios 4 questions. Percentages 4 questions. Time and work 2 questions. So these are the moti chapters which you have to do from the books. Fine. And out of them, around 15 questions were from CET book itself, which was very common to what is done in the books. So please target those questions. So at least do the solve example from every chapter of the book. Fine. Moving to the second section, LR, your target should be 80 score. Overview, there were a lot of questions out of puzzles. So probably around 10 to 12 questions were based out of logical puzzles. So you have to do them seriously. If you have CET students, then I've taught one strategy of solving the puzzles using options. Fine. This strategy works wonder in this area. If you can see that video is available in your dashboard under workshops section, so please go through those videos again. Fine, no major change in the section, everything else was important, but yes, overall lengthy topic. 4 questions were new here, which were unconventional questions. I'll talk about those questions. So logical puzzles, 12 questions. Traditional logic, your coding, decoding, input, output, all those questions, 7 questions. 4 questions which were fairly new. The question can be anything. Question can be find the number of triangles in this figure, or question can be find the number of circles or rectangle formed by this figure. So anything which is unconventional. Number of rectangles formed by these 3 things. Last is the clocks and calendar, 2 questions. Fine, so total 25 question here. 11 question easy, 9 question moderate, 5 question tough. Fine, again please pause the video and look at each and every question, what is coming from where. So if I talk about unconventional, there were 4 question unconventional, 2 question here per charts and number of triangles, and 2 unconventional of meetings and number of coins. Number of coins can be like there are 4 people, some people are distributing the coins among each other, so which is the ideal formation of the coins. Fine, so these kind of questions are new questions which were not there. So no question on emotional question which we're expecting, but on the other hand, yes, I can treat them as unconventional or emotional based question which is not your traditional logic. So yes, 4 questions I can agree, 1 new in this CMAT, which is irrespective of your engineering or BMS background. Fine, number of attempts wise, 24 attempts for in this section. Top 4 20-22 questions, top 10 18 to 20 questions, top 20 15 to 20 questions. Again, individual detail wise of this section, please pause the video. I'm going to upload a PDF of this thing as well, so if you can get hold of the PDF, will give you an idea about what I'm talking about. Fine, and these are the type of chapters from where the question will be coming from CET King books. So please pause this thing and try to do these questions from CET King books. The last few, just go through the overall what is coming, what is not coming. Fine, moving on to the last section, verbal section, sorry. The verbal section overview, first of all, the major change was there was no one question based on one RC. For example, earlier there used to be one RC and one question. Next RC will have a different RC and different question. So there used to be 15 to 16 question on critical reasoning and RC, so which used to be very lengthy and tedious thing to read and do. But what they've done now there are 3 questions, 1 set and 3 questions based on that, very much like the other exams. So if you're reading one set, one paragraph, you will get 3 question attempt, not right obviously, but attempt. Fine, so 15 questions were there. The major thing which are not there was critical reasoning. They've removed critical reasoning, but critical reasoning have become a part of your RC, or your standing the argument, weakening the argument have become a part of your RC. Fine, so short RCs, squat RCs, 15 questions. Grammar usage have increased like anything in the exam. So for 4 questions on grammar usage, earlier they used to be 1 or 2. Paragraph based 3 questions, paragraph completion and parajumbles. Vocab based 2 questions, and verbal logic based 1 question, that is your FIJ. Fine, again 12 question easy, 9 question moderate, 4 question difficult. Again please pause the video. Now look at here, the 15 questions are based on RC. So again you're studying the argument, weakening the author view, meaning of the statement, tone of the passage. Lot of questions have become explicit which were not there in earlier CMATs. So level of difficulty overall will go down, but because of the sentence correction, 4 or 5 questions or 3 to 5 questions which will come, so you have to take care of that as well. Your attempt wise, JBMS 20 to 22 questions, top 4 19 to 21, top 10 16 to 820, and 12 to 15 for targeting top 20 B schools. Fine, again your all this is not comparing with the last year's CMAT paper. Again squat RCs was there, have increased. Both the things have combined as squat RC now, 16 question, and critical reasoning have gone out. Fine, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks have and grammar users have interchanged their importance. So fill in the blanks and vocab based question 2, grammar based question 4, parajumbles 1, idiom was not there this time, and FIJ 1 question. Fine. So again 2 most important chapters from the CET King book. Squat RCs chapter number 3 from the CET King book, and grammar and fill in the blanks chapter number 2 from the book. These 2 are the most important part of your exam. Fine, moving on to the last part, GK. 60 marks is your target score, should be your target score in the GK. overview, the new thing which have come is business GK, which was not there in CMAT but used to be the part of other exam like symbiosis and all. So they have introduced now. So business and economy 8 question on business and economy, history based 4 question, politics and constitution 3 question, science 3 questions, geography 3 questions, sports 2 questions, and books and author 1 and current affairs 1. Fine. Now directly current affair based question was only 1, like in 2013 who have done this, who have done that, but overall there were 15 questions which were based on current affairs. A lot of questions in the economy were based on current affairs as well. Fine. Again, attempt 16 to 18 attempt is a very good attempt. Top 4 13 to 15 attempt, top 10 12 to 13, and top 20 18 to 8 to 10 attempts. That's a kind of ideal attempt for you people. Fine. Again, last part is this is your earlier what used to happen in CMAT. Current affairs used to be very dominated, but now the current affairs become based, not a direct question but an indirect question based on current affairs. Alright, so these are the 4 things I want you to do. Static GK, please do it from the CET book. There were 6 questions based on science, geography and history, 9 questions, sorry. So most of them were from CET books. Current affairs on mock engineering is more than sufficient. From Jan 2012 to May 2013 is more than sufficient. GK marathon and GK prepathon, these 2 things are there in the book. So 20 questions of this year's CMAT paper GK section were based on what they done earlier online on CET King. So please just go through them again. Fine. Finally, your mock strategy. So again, quant, logic, verbal GK 25 question, 20 marks. So again, quant will take some time, but you have to target yourself 50 to 60 minutes is more than sufficient for time. Fine. Where you can save your time is the verbal section, because the lengthy part have gone down in this section. So LR 60 and GK 10. So that could have been probably my target. Quant 60. Fine. And the target attempt we talked about earlier, that could have been a very good mix for your exams. Fine. Now cutoff point of view, if I add the cutoff from last year's CMAT paper, this year's paper were almost same as last year in terms of level of difficulty and everything, even though the level of difficulty have gone up for the September CMAT, but May CMAT, but Feb CMAT we still have open with us, so we don't know what is going to be the cutoff. So but I can predict the cutoff will be almost same as last year. Home University open 316, so 316 to 320, that is going to be the cutoff for this time. I am taking into provision that Feb CMAT is still open, and there is a heat that this year CET will again come back into picture. So if CET is happening, then again the cutoff, everything will change accordingly. Fine. So top 4, top 10 cutoff, and if you are from the category, then depending on individual category, mota-moti score should be around 250 required for the top, for a JBIMS, 200 for top 10. And 150, 200 for top 4 and 150 for top 10. Fine, but the mota-moti picture remains same, 90s, 80s, 70s and 60. That is your thumb rule for the exam. Fine. So all the best for your exam. So please see, you can see more details on cetking.com, or if you want to join any of your program, you can call us on 9820 500 380. Alright, thank you. All the best.